Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is why you should set big goals for yourself. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and why you should set big goals for yourself. So what I mean by setting big goals doesn't mean you necessarily want to buy a private jet and buy an island, which if that's for you, absolutely do that. But if you don't want to, buy a mega yacht or anything like that, you just want to have financial freedom and, do something completely different, well, that's okay. But you have to have a goal that you believe that is successful, and successful can mean a ton of different things. For different people, it means different things. Like I said, some people want to buy a mega yacht and a private jet. Some other people just want to have a simple life and just, travel the world in, cheap places. So it really depends. But whatever your idea of being successful is, this should be like your big goal that you always have in mind. And the reason this is because you're going to hit so much trouble on the way, because when you're trying to create success, when you're trying to make some money online, for example, just like I talk about a lot on this channel, and affiliate marketing, which by the way, I'm going to go way more into the technical things in some other videos, which I haven't done in a while, but let's get right back on track. If you have that end goal in mind, where you want to be, what you consider as successful, when you hit these like brick walls where it's just stopping you and you're going to go down, and you just will get back up because you know where you want to go at the end of the day. So if, for example, you're doing YouTube and affiliate marketing, because that's what I talk about the most on this channel, so if you're doing that, maybe you won't get the subscribers that you want. You might not be able to get the sales that you're trying to get. All these things will happen. Maybe you're trying to create a funnel and it's just way harder than you thought, or all these different things, which, by the way, creating a funnel isn't that hard if you follow the right steps. But all these things will happen, and you just will climb across over the wall and just will actually go through the wall, because there's no way around it, and just figure out the issue, because you have to be really resourceful no matter what. So maybe you're going to find out how to deal with it. Maybe you'll find someone that knows how to do it and ask them. There's a ton of different things or ways to go around it, but you have to actually push through it. And once you hit another one, then the first problem that you had didn't even feel like a problem. It doesn't even feel like a problem anymore, and you feel like it's just easy. So you're just going to hit all these problems, but if you have that end goal in mind, it's not going to be such a big deal. Well, it will at some point, but you will get right back up. Whereas if you don't really have a big goal that you want to set, then you're not going to get anywhere, because the first problem that you're going to hit, you're just going to stop right there and give up. So that's the big thing. Now, remember that you also want to set some smaller goals, because along the way that will bring you to that end goal. Because if your end goal is to be a billionaire, for example, you won't get there overnight, and you won't get there in a year's time either. So what you really have to figure out is, what are some of the goals that you can get along the way to actually celebrate and to be happy about. For example, if you're completely broke and you want to be a billionaire, maybe celebrate your first dollar that you have. Celebrate your first lead that you have. Celebrate when you've created your email list. Celebrate, when you created your first funnel. and all these different things. Maybe celebrate when you get your first subscriber on YouTube, or all these different things that you want to celebrate along the way. And these are just the things at the beginning, but you also want to have some goals all the way up to your end goal, because that is so much better, like visually, that you know you can hit it. Because some of the big goals, like I talked about at the beginning, like private jet and all these things, seem so far away, so far-fetched, that most people, when they start out, you don't really believe in it. Or maybe you believe in it, but it seems so far away. So if you set all these small goals all along the way, then that is how you're going to be able to do it. So, with that being said, I really hope this video was really interesting for you, because I really hope that I can help you in every one of my videos. I'm trying to provide as much value as possible. If you have any questions that I can answer in other videos, make sure that you put them in the description, or in the comments I should say, because I'm very happy to answer some of these. So, with that being said, hope you enjoyed it. Make sure that you smash that subscribe button if you did. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.